Hello, my name is James. I'm a tutor at Gorey School of Art. We're going to look at monsters, but we're also kind of trying to make our own monsters from objects in our house. We call them monsters because they don't look normal. Look at me, I'm very tall, so if I stand up, I could be called a monster. I'm beyond the height of the camera and I'm very big, I'm 6'6". If you look at a definition of monster in the dictionary, it really would say that monsters are usually large and big and frightening. Because we can't really go out to the shops anymore, or for the time being, we have to pick up things around the house. And I'm going to ask my two kids to look around the house and pick up a few objects that we can begin making a monster from. All you need is a kitchen, some of your toys, anything can become part of your monster. It's really about thinking. So when we build this thing, we can think about other things and imagine other things it could become through the act of drawing and storytelling. So it's really about using your imagination. So first, this is my son and daughter, Noah and Lucy. Over here. So this is Lucy. Say hello.
Hello.
And this is Noah. Okay, so would you go away and look for objects in the house that are going to make our homemade monster from? Yeah. Okay. Go ahead there, Lucy. What we found was basic forms like a cardboard box, a packet of pasta, a football were good for building our homemade monster. Okay.
That's good. That's what we need. Yeah.
It's always best to let children figure things out for themselves. They are way more creative than us.
What's the black things? Your taste buds? His taste buds are poisonous. Why are they all big? Lucy, your taste buds, you have taste buds. You don't make it Tom Blackberry, do you? It's not evil. He's not a monster. He's not. He's dead. He is. Where else is it? Wait. This. Yes. Yeah. No. You need to go inside that. Inside. Okay. Yeah. 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 I have a little mouth here, don't you? Exactly like you did there. What's that thing there? Top of it. No.
So, what is the name of your monster?
The name of it is Kosia.
And what is it made of?
It's made of tissue and hair.
And what two creatures make up this monster?
A werewolf and a mummy.
And where does it live?
It lives in a cave.
And is it good or bad?
The mummy part of it, it's middle, and the werewolf part is full bad.
Making your zine involves folding and tearing paper. If you have a stapler, all the better. If not, you can use a needle and thread to sew the binding. You can have as many pages as you want. We worked with 8 pages. Building stories involves prompting your child. Ask them questions about their monster. What do you see when you look at your homemade monster? What do you feel when you look at it? What does it feel like? Where does it live? Hot, cold, a wet place? Is it good, bad, or a middling monster? Does it have a smell? Flowers, the beach, the forest, the toilet?
Better. Now, yeah, it's missing the colourful bit, but mummy is missing the colourful bit in it. That's good enough now. Now, yeah, that's the front of it.
You happy?
I'm happy with the font really much. That is good. Here, Mommy, take your book. That is Mommy, okay? Mommy here will cut it.